Good evening. Welcome to KalyanIAS.com. Every serious aspirant who is preparing for the main examination wants to score better marks in the main examination so that will lay a smooth path for you to attend interview. For this reason, thousands of people, rather lakhs of people, are preparing very seriously for this grand examination which is conducted by Union Public Service Commission every year. And even for the year 2021 also, there is going to be a preliminary examination. After that main examination, next interview will be conducted. And in this session, I would like to give you some information with respect to paper number 2 in the main examination. How to write better answers here. How to read a question, how to understand a question. In order to make all these things very clear, we are going to launch a batch from February 7th onwards. February 7th, 2021, we are going to start a batch for paper number 2 of main examination of IAS 2021. And this batch is exclusive for English medium students only. Right? And what exactly you are going to get in this particular batch? If you look at the subjects in this particular paper, you got Indian polity, you got constitution, you got governance, you got social justice, and you got international relations. Most of the things you have started reading from your preparation of the prelims level only. And here when it comes to the main examination, that concrete knowledge, in-depth knowledge and in-depth analysis you have to present in the form of words, in the form of sentences, in the form of paragraphs in the main examination. But is it so easy to write an answer in the main examination? One thing what we hear is that we have written the degree examinations and PG examinations, and where we got very good marks, we passed in the distinction, and some gold medalists will also be there in you. But when it comes to a competitive examination, what exactly you are going to present in the answer, that should be highly qualitative. But what do you mean by quality here? When I say quality, whatever the answer that you are presenting, that answer should be suitable for the question that is asked in the examination. What do you mean by this? We'll be writing answers only that are suitable for the question. But most of the times this is not. This is the place an aspirant has to be very careful and very cautious. Because when we start reading the subjects, by reading very enormously, by reading huge number of books, you have gathered large amount of knowledge. That is really very good, and there is no objection for that. And that is going to be highly useful to you. But from this mountainous knowledge, from this enormous knowledge, what exactly you are going to take and what exactly you are going to present, including the essence of current affairs, that makes all the difference. That is the reason why some of you might have written the main examination earlier. And during the writing the examination, you might have felt that you wrote well, but when you come out, then you realize that you made some mistakes. And after you look at your marks, then you really realized what exactly happened. So meaning, having knowledge is one aspect, and presenting that in the suitable format is completely different. This is the place where exactly you need practice. And practice, you have to develop an art of presenting the answer. This is an art, and you can develop only through practice. For that purpose, from February 7th, 2021, we are going to start a fresh batch for paper number 2 of the main examination, and this is exclusively for writing the answers. Right? So what exactly we are going to do? We are going to take the earlier papers, 2015, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 2020 is also done. But we are going to take 2015 to 2019 5 papers, and each question we are going to take up We'll be discussing the question. We'll be adding the latest current affairs, latest current affairs we'll be adding, and we are going to discuss. And for each question after the discussion, model answer will also be provided to you, so that will become easy for you for quick reference. And kindly remember, this is what exactly we have done for paper number 3 successfully. In paper number 3, you got economy, science and technology, environment, disaster management, national security. It has been done very successfully, and now we are taking up paper number 2. And I suggest all the serious aspirants who wants to prepare for this exam very seriously, who wants to write better answers in the main examination, to please join this particular course, which is starting from February 7th, 2021 onwards. Now, I am going to show you the details. Kindly have a look at this. So, what you are going to get in this course? Have a look at this. First thing what we are going to teach is how to score better marks. Every aspirant wants better marks, but how to score better, that is going to be taught to you. Along with that one, complete syllabus will be covered by taking the current aspects into consideration wherever it is required. Please remember, current affairs, as I tell you every time, will play a crucial role in your success. For every answer, for almost every answer, except for the static, you have to add the current affairs. So that essence must be reflecting in your answer. Then only you will be scoring better marks. But how to add it, that I am going to tell you. And you are going to be given in-depth analysis. And you will also be taught on how to read a question to understand the essence of the question. Reading is also an art. Writing is also an art. And how exactly you can read, that is going to be taught to you. Similarly, what to write in the examination, and how to begin an answer, how to end an answer, it is also an art. Clear? And detailed explanation of answer writing for each question starting from the year 2015 up to 2019 will be provided to you. But what about 2020 paper? 2020 paper will be for the purpose of the practice. Meaning, I will ask you to write answers for paper 2020 after completing the earlier papers, so that will become like a practice for you now. Clear? And apart from this, I am going to give you more papers after the preliminary examination is over for the purpose of practice. Right? And these are all the subjects. Look at the screen. Polity, constitution, governance, social justice, international relations, everything will be dealt in detail. And how long you will have the access? Whatever the classes we are starting from February 7th, you can watch our classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. The classes will be uploaded before 6 o'clock, and you can just log on to our site and you can start watching the classes after 6 o'clock. And each class you can watch any number of times, there is no problem. And you will have the access till you complete the main examination of IAS 2021. Look at this. For this, actual fees is 12,000 rupees. And it is given at 10,000 rupees. This includes GST. And the last date is February 7th, 2021. I suggest you all to join at the earliest. And validity till the completion of the main examination. Medium is English only. This includes Q&A, meaning that is going to be given to you. And you can pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm. In any manner you can pay. So this is my number. You please take a pic of this. Take a pic of this one, store it with you, take a quick decision and join at the earliest. And after paying the amount, then you please send your details to my WhatsApp number. The same one is my WhatsApp number. What details you have to send? Payment receipt, meaning the screenshot of the payment receipt. And I want your name. and I need your WhatsApp number for the regular updates till you finish your interview. I need your mail ID, right? And also mention the paper number. Paper number means, so this is paper number 2. I told you already, paper number 3 is already done. That amount is also the same, 10,000 rupees, including GST. If anybody wants to join, that is very much ready. All the classes are ready. That will be given to you, right? So, this is the whole thing regarding this. I want all the serious aspirants to take a quick decision. Please take a pick of this. This is my mobile number, WhatsApp number, and mail ID, and you can join me at any time you like. Fine. And once again, I tell you that please take a quick decision and kindly come to a conclusion at the earliest and start writing the answers for the main examination for paper number 2. And I am going to give you my best to make you to score better marks in this particular paper. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on February 7th after 6 o'clock in the evening. Take very good care. Thank you so much.